Thutha wa ngahiha iria ikoretwo ikiyumiria kaunti-ini cia Kericho na Bomet, kuria mbeũ njithi makoretwo magitabania mirurungano ya kumenereria kambuni ya mugunda wa macani wa Ekatera ni kuhuthira macini utui-ini wa macani na gucungiriria kurwo ni mieke ya mawira. Riu minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Prof Kithure Kindiki ni aheanite murugamo wa thirikari wigie ndugamano ino. Ndumiriri-ini yake ari mwena wa Uasin Gishu, Kindiki augite gukinyiria riu ni andu 11 maikitio ngono gukinyaniria aria metharite magiethanwo nao.
We have arrested by now 13 suspects from Bomet and 11 suspects from Kericho County. Investigations are ongoing and evidence is leading us to political leaders and business leaders who are supporting anarchy, looting and lawlessness.
Hindi ya ngahiha ici andu 6 nio maraguraririo, 5 mari maabitha borithi na umwe mwandiki wa mohoro, na macini 4 cia kambuni ino ya Ekatera iracinwo hamwe na ngari ya borithi. Ndeto iria Kindiki okiriire na kuga uyu ti undu thirikari ikwirorera utwarithio na mbere.
We have contained the situation. We have instructed the Regional Security and Intelligence team in Rift Valley to camp in the South Rift until that matter is contained permanently.
Kindiki niongereire kuga ati atongoria kiuteti na huri biacara aria makuruhanitio na ngahiha ici ni megukorwo makiandikithia ndumiriri kuri kamiti ciigie ugitiri cia kaunti ici cieri, na aria mekuonekana manyitite itemi hari gwakiriria ngahiha ici ni megutacukirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
The agencies that are involved have been directed to expedite the investigations. Once the investigations are concluded, arrest all those who are responsible to inciting public unrest.
Mwena-ini wao atongoria kuma kaunti ici cieri matongoretio ni gavana wa Kericho Eric Mutai na Senator Aaron Cheriot maugite atongoria othe mwena uyu ni megukorwo makiaraniria na honge cia ugitiri hamwe na ene migunda ya macani hamwe na athuri ya matura niguo mahote kurutithania wira hamwe.
If we are making inciting remarks to our people, if we are politicizing violence and glorifying it, we have expressively requested our commissioner to arrest them very fast. Even if it is me, they arrest them very fast.
Nalalamikia mambo ambaye hata sisi tunakubaliana nao kwamba nafasi na ajira ya kazi katika haya mashamba ya chai mpaka ipatikane na ipeane kwa wananchi. Hiyo sisi tunakubali. Kitu ambaye hatukubaliani nacho ni mbinu ambazo pengine wengine wanatumia.
Nake Senator wa Bomet Hilary Sigei akiongerera kuga ati ngahiha ici ni irathararia mirutire ya wira na cia gucangira hari kuingata aigithia aria mari guku bururi-ini.
Tukiharibu uchumi wa kwetu hapa Kericho ama Bomet, tukiharibu kufukuza wagizaji, sisi wenyewe tutaumia.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wagoi wa Mwirori.